Good God. Peas soup in Iran. Peas in Aunty Carlene. Oh God, how it smell?
Nice, man.
Smell nice. It's so good, innit, man? With this. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tyrone. If you're new to this program, in it we just do some cooking, we visit places and we just enjoy ourselves. Now I'm in my community, which is land settlement, and I see the big chef already, Aunty Carlene, and I mean, so she's gonna do some cooking food today. And guys, I want to say a big thank you to Kayan for sponsoring this video. You made it possible for today, Kayan. One love, respect, and I mean all the way, all the time. You get me and say? And guys, without further ado, please do not skip the video. Don't skip off it. Watch the entire video, guys. Cause I find out say we don't really watch the entire video. I go in the analytics, me see like it'll go down, like the viewer duration. More and more people will see it, guys. Help me out now. You would really appreciate that. And I mean when I watch it, I want to like that little button here where they write over here, so yeah man, click the button there, man. You know what I mean? Subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, be a part of the community, cause we are doing the right thing, you know what I mean? And we are trying to enhance the culture the right way. You get me? I say, one love from Jamaica, you know, guys. This is Tyrone. Hope you have a nice rest of the day and continue the video. I could go down a yard, see what Aunty Carlene at the video, see me? Yeah man. Alright guys, so we're there back with the big chef Aunty Carlene. So what are on the menu today? Alright,
pea soup. We have pig's tail and chicken foot are gonna mix up together.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The one I got fully body, we say red pea soup.
Red pea soup.
Guys, see ingredients them here. Yeah man, see them here. How are this? Tell me what I go on here.
We have Irish potato, we have yam, and we have sweet potato, and we have cocoa,
aka dasheen. Yeah man, respect Kayan for sponsoring this video. Yeah man, you make it possible, you know what I mean? One love. So Aunty Carlene, I get in her cooking. I'm not gonna do no much talking, still she gonna do the talking. Alright guys, so in the interest of time, Aunty Carlene pressure the peas, and she have some pigtail in the pot here. See it there? And I mean, so she gonna tell you how she do it still, but because of the interest of time, you know, and them thing here tough, so she have to do it and get like a gap time space. So when she do her cooking further up, she will tell you how she prepare it, you see me? So you can have an idea how to do it if you don't want to try it. Yeah man. Go on, what you gonna do now?
I'm gonna peel up my food now. Because the peas and the hot still in the pot. I go and bubble up so till we finish peel up the food. You understand?
Alright. Yeah. So seafood them here guys. Real natural food and thing, you know what I mean? Pea soup and a pea soup without the sweet potato, you know? Sweet potato make it bad. Eat that look a nice sweetish taste there. Real protein. You say if you're in there and ready yet. So guys, when you're not gonna do no pea soup, if you don't want to follow the recipe here, make sure you have sweet potato, Irish yam. Yeah man. Cause a dumpling alone can't go in a soup, you see me? Alright, so what is your appeal for we now?
Yam.
For the yam people, yam are rich and pretty. Massa. Ooh. And it's soft too, you know? Yeah man, alright, yam this guys. Yellow yam. See it there. Stay tuned. So tell me where outdoor foods are nice when you cook on wood fire.
Then so the wood fire, the smoke. Yes, man, they say smoke make it food nice.
You smoke?
Smoke make the food nice.
Oh, God.
Nicer than when you cook on the stove.
Master God. So how long now you cook?
I know myself now.
You know yourself,
yeah, I'm 48 now.
Long time you cook. People, you hear that?
Ask my children, they want me every single day from Monday to Sunday me cook. Yes, man. They don't want me come out of the kitchen.
So,
what's up?
We are cleaning up the chicken. See the people. Chicken are clean there now. You don't need much clean up because it clean. So wash it off. You pick off all like two of them. Show them a part of them pick cut off.
Everything cut off already.
See two of them cut
chicken
off.
foot well clean up.
Yeah. See here people. I'm going to put pressure on this. Yeah, and you can't pressure chicken foot too long because you mash out down.
Not like when it's soft.
Alright. Yeah, bone. Alright guys, stay tuned. Watch what go on. Don't skip a video and watch till the end. Alright, so what you going to do for you now, Aunty Carlene?
Cook some more flour this dinner we are cooking on. Dinner outdoor cooking.
So what did you show in a while ago?
A corn meal. I must say I can't hit the white flour dumpling at all. No white flour dumpling. Can't
see
eat
the
it.
people. So you're chewing your flour you know, and your salt. So dumpling not to make it. You not to make at all.
Don't want to get some of this.
Chew it, man.
It's alright. We're not going to make it big this time, so you know. Time man, you there.
People rain and shake, thunder, shake up in the sky there.
Whoa,
Food I cook, man. I cook food I cook, you know. I say add your salt.
Yeah,
man. Yeah, man. Go on. Man, what you say I do now? Finish it up with flour? Alright guys, see it there. Only for time I pour flour, you know, I just learn, you know. Yeah, man.
When you're not having cornmeal, it's easy to spoil. Easy to spoil it. But when you put in a cornmeal,
you can't eat so hungry.
Yes, it's harder to spoil the flour.
Oh.
But the white flour dumpling, man. You don't have to spoil it.
As you slip and slide with it.
Spoil it, man.
See there, guys. Flour come on well. Yeah, man, pretty. Come on, really good, me not lie. Me know why the pot over this bubble up. See it there.
I put in the chicken foot now. See the guys, what's up? Boil up. Yes.
Fire on the pot. Lord. See the guys. Yeah man, chicken foot are going in the pot now. Yeah man, Aunty Carlene put in the rest of them. See it there? Yeah man.
Alright, I put in my food now. Soup you're cooking now? Man, a long time I drink soup in a China.
Red peas. Oh God.
Them no love soup, so sometimes I can't cook it.
Oh, people finna love soup. Guys, pull up your comment section, you know. You know what I mean? Pull up your comment section, let me know when I pray. See it there? See it there? Nice. Yee. Oh God. I get a stir now. Yeah man. Pretty down there, could everybody can get today.
No big dumpling.
Alright, so what you say? Soup dumpling, soup dumpling not for big. See the people take it for the expert. And I have to make a dumpling them big, you know? Yeah man. So you go drop in them shortly for you. You know what go on. Rain a come on we land, you know, people. Jamaica get little rain. Yeah, man, especially up on Mandeville, rain fall hard up here, you know.
Ready?
Go on, man. Yeah, guys. See flower them here. Little and neat. Fully bad. Intervene. Alright, guys, so Aunty Carlene have to move a pot. So she has shown you what going in the rain coming, man. See a piece of rain got bust, you see, but God, we are beg you hold up here. So see what go on there. Yeah, man, so to go and bubble, you know. Yeah. Alright, guys, so rain pot. When the country with us give you hot, we could have carried it in, you know, and put it on the stove, you know, but I just love show the authentic thing. And this my granny have to go through, you know. And this my mother have to go through, you know. So here what, I just want to relive it, to experience it, you know what I mean? Could they rain out here, tear, and we can carry in the pot. We make the pot stay out here and cook. Almost done, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, if you can see behind me right now, rain is pouring. I mean, say, yo, the rain a tear. Smoke have burn me. But here what, me now go in. Me determined, see me pot in front of me, Aunty Carlene gone in, but me I see out here and monitor behind me because the rain behind me, it a move really, really terrible. But here what, it's the Jamaican experience. And this my grandmother go through, and this your grandmother go through. When rain a fall, them have to beat it out, them have to rough it out, you know what I mean? So I just give you the old Jamaican experience. Outside smoke a bun in the air, but you're not roll up your pot. You're not going to make hungry till you're in the cold. You know what I mean? And when rain a fall, at that the time the hungry start kick. So here what, guys, I'm out here monitor it, you know what I mean? The rain nice still, but I'm not going. And nobody tell me if you go in the comment section. You get me, I say, a food me a defend. You know what I mean? So stay tuned and watch what I'm going.
Alright. I put in my coconut milk.
Yeah? So, Carlene in the rain with you cooking.
The wife in the house and I say hungry.
Yeah, there. Yeah, we finish the pot though. Yeah, man, I will finish the pot. Aunty Carlene, we are telling people them so we have to change location.
Yes, man, for rain. It's going to be rain.
Rain the funny land. So what is in our plate now?
It's the coconut milk.
Alright.
Alright, now put it in the pot.
Alright, so we're dropping in the pot here now. Yeah, people, look there. We have to turn we and make fashion, you know.
Sir, pop a bubble.
We have to turn we and make fashion. Yeah, man.
Pop a bubble, man.
See it there.
Whoa.
In the rain, yeah. People, when rain fall at the time, you're hungry, you know.
Man.
Yeah, man, at the time, you're hungry. You see, I get a taste test. Alright, so what you do for we now? Oh yeah, I use Grace. See it there? Grace cock soap. Yeah, man, see it there? Grace outside in the rain. Alright, so we will drop them in a pot now, people. Cut them up and thing. Yeah, man, pour them in. Just like that. If you not cock soup in there, come like it. I know soup you drink. See the people? She'll get a stir for you, stir it up there. Good day, guys. Look, you see piece of chicken foot in the pot there.
Chance don't want chicken foot for cutting and say you want woolly.
Yeah, man.
And bite in the rain.
So what is it now?
Butter. We add the butter.
Okay, so butter have to drop in a soup.
This man will put the butter in butter careful taste. Alright, so we're going to add some. We're going to add some to put on salt.
Alright. See it there, guys? Yeah, man. Pretty. Pretty. So see pot there, guys. 1, 2, 3. Open it, make we see what go on. Oh Lord, Lord, Lord. Somebody. Could they? When it come off, it's still a bubble. Yeah, people like this. As Aunty Carlene gonna do sharing, you know. Stay tuned and watch what go on. Good God. Peas soup in a rain. Peas in Aunty Carlene. Oh God, how it smell?
Nice, man.
Smell nice. So go in it, man. We just do the sharing, you know. Yeah, guys. One love in a can for sponsor that big pot of peas soup, you know. Respect. Reach this far in a video, you know. Yeah, man. Thanks. Alright, see it. Little sister going out. You can know it tastes.
Tastes good.
Tastes good? Yeah, man. Aunty Carlene over here, so now. How your soup taste?
Good, man.
Good? Make you see in your plate. Stir up your plate to make your people let me see what go on.
See them. My dinner this. What?
What that we look on? Pigtail, chicken, foot, dumpling. Oh Lord. Go ahead and eat. Guys, in the area, if you don't have no food, I tell you, you're hungry. So I'm going after me one. Look at my plate very big. See the people? My plate big.
You could have cooked it on the stove,
yeah.
But master, wood for your food nice.
Wood for your food nice. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man, I'm going after me now. Could I? Here and top look on the soup very pretty. Oh Lord. Alright, guys, so here what I'm going on now. Take a look in at my plate. Could I? Stir it up. So I'm going to eat it now. You know what I mean? What am I going to start with? What am I going to start with? Because I don't even know if it started, you know. I'm going to start with piece of Irish. Yeah, man. So we have some carrot here. Yeah, man. See carrot here, man. Now we have sweet potato. Yeah, see this? Aunty Carlene, but we are going after our one. Food are bad, no people, especially in the area. You know. All this is pigtail now. Yeah, man, so tasty pigtail. Bad. But and the pigtail no salt. Cause I remember Aunty Carlene, she did, what did you do? She did soak it off. She did scald it off, you know what I mean? So guys, when you not do no pigtail, remember to scald it off, yeah? Cause if you don't scald it off, you go salt. And you don't want the salt. You want a little bit of salt to it, but not too salt. So, go take a look on it again, see it, yeah? Nice. Yeah, man. Bad people, bad. Bad. When the hot soup go down for your chest, move any gas. Guys, Kayan, anywhere you do right now in the world, respect, big up. Guys, if you don't subscribe yet, subscribe, like up a video, share it, comment, make me know how you feel about this soap. And if you don't want to try this, try it and make me know what the outcome, you know what I mean? Get me and say so, guys. One love again from Jamaica, and this is Tyrone, and we're out.